Hello everyone, I am Brian Robin Santiago and we are the Four Musketeers and welcome to part 4 of our Endless Runner game tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to help you create the obstacles and collisions. So let's jump straight into Unity and let's get started. In the previous episode, we have successfully created a random level generator. As you can see on your screen, we have a set of obstacles that our player will have to navigate around. So let's play the game and see what it looks like. As you can see, we have created a lot of these obstacles as seen in the hierarchy tab. So, how to do it? First, go to the level manager. In the script that we place in the level manager, the reason why there are so many of these obstacles is because of the private float next spawn, if you remember in the previous part in the random level generator episode. So in the inspector tab, click on the add button or the plus sign and drag and drop these obstacles and collision prefabs in the hierarchy tab. So once we play the game, the obstacles will appear in the game. So how did we make these obstacles and collisions? It's quite simple. It is the same as the previous chapter 3. First, right click and then 3D object and then cube, and let's scale it a bit, and for this we'll create a simple obstacle course. As for the collisions, for the player to detect these obstacles, click on one of these boxes, and then in the Inspector tab, you can see the Box Collider component. Click on the Editor Collider, and then adjust the size of the collider. As you can see, those green lines are the collision for the player to detect if there are obstacles that they're going to hit. And you can just simply duplicate these obstacles that you've edited, so you won't have to edit the colliders one by one. So if the player runs through that obstacle, it can now detect the obstacle. So we created one before, and this is the original course that the player will run through. So we can just delete the one that we've made. As you can see, we have edited the colliders on the walls and the floors so that when the player walks through it would not just pass through. Once you're done making your own obstacle course, just simply drag and drop the obstacle course into the level manager game component or game object. After that, hit the play button. And there you go. The game is successfully playing and there is an obstacle course that the player will run through. And that wraps up for our part 4. In the next part, we'll focus on the item pickups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out the next part of the series. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.